Wetin dey happen for Okoromi community dey very disturbing. Honorable Marcus Onobu na im tok dis one. The protesters wey waka follow some popular street for Benin City come stop for the city center wey be Oba Ovorame Square to express the pains of wetin some private landowners dey pass through for the hand of the people wey dey call themselves community heads. The Speaker for Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Marcus Onobu, wey follow with Tori people talk, come say belle no sweet am at all sake of the issue of land grabbing for the state. He say Edo State House of Assembly don amend the law on protection of private property, sign the bill into law, and dem don even set up committee to treat the issue. Oga Speaker come give warning say make land grabbers retrace their steps or make them ready to face the law, as Edo State government no go take the matter lightly if them catch them.
I'm here this morning in solidarity with our Edo people who had come to express their concern and their grievances over the issue of land grabbing and other nefarious activities that have been going on, most especially within the Edo South and every other part of Edo State. Of a particular note is the worrisome trend that we have seen in the last few days that had to do with the Okoromi community. As you all are aware, just a few weeks ago, the Edo State House of Assembly amended the law that had to do with protection of private property, and that bill had been signed into law, and a committee has been set up to treat issues like this. Edo is an hospitable state and a peace-loving state. We, those of us saddled with the responsibility in government, will not fold our arms and see that some elements want to push our state into anarchy, which is the reason why we are here this morning to solidarize, with those people who have come to air their grievances. But to note it very clearly that when it comes to the issue of land grabbing and the issue of encroachments and destruction of private property, that the government of Edo State will not take it lightly with anyone, and that no matter how highly placed or how connected you are, anybody found wanting will be faced with the full wrath of the law. And it's an opportunity for me to encourage everyone out here who have come to express your grievance, that you have spoken, your voice is loud and clear, and those of us here, we have heard you, and actions will be taken immediately. And also to quickly sound a note of warning to every other intending, encroacher or grabbers or whatever name they choose to call themselves, that it's no longer business as usual. Anybody caught doing business like this should be ready and be ready. And the government is also ready to wage the full, hammer of the law on such persons.
This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top land grabbers matter. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.